Okay, so it's like Christmas morning for me here at the Digitest Labs because OnePlus just dropped this massive box of today and I think I know what's in here. After months of leaks, speculations and rumors, the OnePlus 13 is finally with us along with a few other accessories and other knickknacks. So here is your first look at the latest and highly anticipated flagship phone from OnePlus where we'll take you through its build, design, accessories and much more. Oh, and you'll also get a little sneak peek of the upcoming OnePlus Buds 3 Pro. Let's check it out, but before that, hit the subscribe button and help us get to 400k subscribers. Okay, let's go. Okay, so there's no two ways about it, but the OnePlus 13 is simply stunning. At about 210 grams and 8.5 mm of thickness, it's thin and light despite using premium materials for its construction. The circular camera module looks quite tasteful too, and it's placed on the top left corner of the phone. And of course, this is the 5th collaboration that OnePlus has done with Hasselblad, so you get the branding here as well. There's also this subtle new addition of this horizontal silver line, which looks quite tasteful and adds a nice visual interest in my opinion. So since I was talking about the cameras, my colleague Nabha recently had the chance to go to Sri Lanka to experience the OnePlus 13's cameras, and here are some of the results in daylight, low light and some portraits. I can't give any judgments right now, but you tell me in the comments down below how you found the photos. Now let's come back to the design. So on the front, you've got this nice quad curved panel, and see, I can't really turn the phone on in this video. The embargo doesn't allow me to do that. I can just show you the design, but I'm excited to see how this display performs. Stay tuned for the review for that. And also, while we're talking about the review, drop any questions that you have about the OnePlus 13 that you want me to answer in my review video, or if you want me to compare it with any particular phone. I'll try my best to do it. Now the phone comes in 3 colors. There's Black Eclipse, which has a wood grain texture on its glass pack, which sounds pretty cool. There's also Arctic Dawn, which is the white color variant, which has a smooth back glass finish that's probably fingerprint resistant. And then there is this one, which is my personal favorite, Midnight Ocean. It has a microfiber vegan leather back and it looks ridiculously premium thanks to this blue and silver combination. OnePlus says that this is the first phone to feature a microfiber vegan leather and that this material is usually used in high-end furniture and vehicle interiors. They say it looks more like genuine leather while being more eco-friendly. And I can't really comment on the eco-friendly part, but it definitely does look like real leather and it feels incredibly soft to the touch. My only concern here is scratches. It may get damaged if you keep it in pockets with other sharp objects like keys, so I'd say use it with caution. Let's see what else we get here. So the buttons on the right side, they're very nice and tactile and clicky. I think they feel really great. And of course on the left side, you've got the alert slider here in all of its glory. You also get the SIM tray on the bottom here. There's no SD card slot and obviously you get the charging port here as well. Now the box also had some accessories. We've got 2 cases and one 50-watt AirVook wireless magnetic charger. So now let's look at the cases. Here you go. This is the wood grain magnetic half pack case, and this is the Aramid fiber magnetic case, and this is the AirVook 50-watt charger. Now when you place the case on the phone, the charger will actually magnetically attach, and you see it's pretty secure now. It snaps to the back and charges it wirelessly. Same with this case, but I did find the wood grain case a bit difficult to remove. Let me show it to you. So there, it's attached now, you can charge it. But yes, the removal is it's the biggest chore I've ever gone through in my life, as you can see right now. So yeah. We also got the new OnePlus Buds Pro 3 and it is color matched with the phone. It has a similar leather design, but it seems to be made out of plastic, just having a leather look. Still, it looks extremely premium. Here are the earphones, you can see them in here, and they fit in my ears perfectly. And the sound, well, you will know more about that in my review. So that was your first look at the OnePlus 13. The review is dropping on Digit very soon, so subscribe and turn on the notification bell to know as soon as it drops. And I'll see you in the next one.